Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on Beauty Pie and their skincare. As you guys know, I love a bit of skincare and I'm always looking for things that are going to make my skin look glowy and fresh and youthful and great. And Beauty Pie very kindly sent me some of their skincare to try, and I've actually been meaning to try some of their skincare, so I was very excited to get my hands on these. I had my eyes on Beauty Pie for a little while and I was trying to figure out which ones to get. Should I get the Hyaluronic Acid? Should I get the anti-aging serum? Which one was going to be the one for me? And just out of the blue, Beauty Pie sent me an email and said they wanted to send me some of their best sellers. I'm going to be trying out their cleanser, their Hyaluronic Acid serum, their anti-aging serum, and their body cream, and an SPF. I'm just going to get into it, but if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. There are two things I really wanted to try, and there are a few other things they sent me which I was very happy to receive. So I got sent the JapanFusion Pure Transforming Cleanser, which they say is a gentle and traceless perfect makeup cleanser. And I think it's a dry cleanser that turns milky or creamy, which is what I tend to like in the evenings. In the mornings, I tend to use like a CeraVe cleanser just because it's easy, doesn't like overly strip my skin. But in the evenings, I like something that's going to melt away my makeup. And then if I need to double cleanse, I can go in with the CeraVe again, or like a slightly more foaming cleanser, depending on what time of year it is. I've been looking for a new first phase because I've been using the Pond's Cold Cream over winter, but I feel like that's getting a bit heavy for my skin now, especially as we're coming into spring. So I'm going to use it today. My face is dry, but it doesn't have any makeup on it. But I'm intrigued to see how this works because I've really been looking for a new cleanser. It looks very pretty, very minimal. Looks good, so I'm going to start with that. I do love a pump, I have to say that, but hey, non-pumps are always welcome. I'm going to put a little pea-sized amount on my hand. And it's white, so it looks kind of like a moisturiser. It gives a really nice glow. Doesn't really have a scent. I love the glow of this. I feel like I can replicate this. Sorry about my wet face. Okay, I'm going to quickly rinse this off. Okay, that's done. It felt really nice actually. It feels silky. My skin feels very hydrated. Very nice. Very nice. It feels good. It feels a bit more plump as well. Just feels really hydrated and nice, so I like that. This is the YouthBomb 360-degree Radiance Concentrate to help visibly firm, tighten and soften fine lines and wrinkles, boost radiance and enhance luminosity. And this is the one I had my eyes on. I had my eyes on two serums, this one and the next one. This one just seemed really cool. It's made in Switzerland. It seemed very like technical, very innovative, and also good for anti-aging. And I'm definitely moving into an anti-aging phase of my life. I have been for a long time, but I'm in a space now mentally where I want to up the ante. So this hopefully will do that. They say it's a proprietary blend of 15 active ingredients that supercharge your skin's radiance. Other thing I really like about this is the packaging is cute, but the actual bottle itself is really pretty. I'm going to use one pump on this side of my face. Oh, it does go on a lot nicer on its own cleanser, just especially on freshly washed skin. I usually tone. I definitely can see the glow, which is the reason I wanted to start using it like pretty much straight away. Definitely see the difference. Dry, plump, radiant. On this side, I'm going to use the triple hyaluronic acid. This one's a triple hyaluronic acid, so hopefully it's 3 times as good. bad for the hyaluronic acid. Obviously my skin's dried out a bit more. I'm going to do 2 pumps. It's almost clear. It's like milky but almost clear. Goes on really nicely. Just glides on. That feels nice as well. They both feel very good. Now I'm going to put on a bit of moisturizer. At the moment I'm using, like I said, the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Is there anything else? I just don't think so. If there is, please tell me, because I could save myself some money. So I'm using a big dollop. And I'm going to pop on the cream and see how this sits under cream, under moisturizer. So that's the hyaluronic acid, and that's the YouthBomb. They both look very glowy, they both look very hydrated and nice. So I'm very happy with both of these so far. I will keep testing them. The left side is definitely tackier. The right side just feels a bit smoother, but both feel equally hydrated, and I feel like they look equally glowy, which is good. So next up, I'm going to try the Beauty Pie Featherlight UVA UVB SPF 50 Sunscreen and Primer. I really like the idea of this. Actually, I've been using it a lot in the mornings because it's just so much easier having it all in one step rather than having to do 2 things and putting on my SPF, waiting for that to sink in, putting on my primer, and then doing my face. So I really like the fact that this is all in one. And I actually did use this yesterday and I really, really liked it. I was a bit nervous that it wasn't going to be clear or invisible, and it was going to show up or give me a white cast or look too filmy, but it actually looks really, really nice. It really gives me a glow and just makes my skin look super healthy. I've got on the anti-aging serum today, and then my Tatcha. I've been tending to use the anti-aging serum the most. It just feels a bit more seamless on my skin. It just feels a bit more natural. It feels like it just sinks in. I feel like the hyaluronic acid may be something I use in summer because my skin's very thirsty at the moment, and it just feels like the anti-aging serum is giving a deeper penetration of hydration. But yeah, so this is the sunscreen slash primer. I really, really like this so far. I like the packaging as well. It's very cute, very summery. It is actually 50 mils. As you can see, it's very seamless, just kind of sinks into my skin. It doesn't look very detectable, it's just completely invisible, but it gives my skin a really nice glow. It feels really light on, and it also feels very moisturized. So I really, really like this. I think it might be my favorite, if not one of my favorite products from Beauty Pie so far. It's just lovely. And this is literally launching at the best time because summer is arriving. As you can see from me squinting, the sun is like in my eyes. But yeah, really, really like this. I'm gonna give you guys a quick close up. So this is the last one on my list. This is the Beauty Pie Super Healthy Skin Deluxe Body Moisture Cream. It is 250 mils. I have to say, I absolutely love the packaging of this. It's so luxurious, so nice. It's got like a really nice grain to the cardboard, which is very chic. It's got Beauty Pie embossed on the top, and as you can see, it's just absolutely beautiful. It gives directions after showering, smooth on to skin, blah blah blah. We know how to use a cream. So I'm just gonna use a little bit on my arms. They're the only bit of my stuff I haven't moisturized. So let's see. So this is in a really nice feeling kind of matte packaging, huge tub, Really pretty. Ooh, did not expect it to be that colour. It really looks like shea butter. Doesn't smell of a huge amount. It smells a little bit of hibiscus. It is quite light as well. It feels more like a whipped cream. That's very nice. Ooh, lovely. The smell is quite strong, but I think in summer it will be really nice. This is a very lightweight cream, and it definitely feels like it's hydrating my skin. My skin can get quite dry, but it definitely feels like it's hydrating it. Good for the elbows. So that's the body cream, very nice. So guys, that is it. Those are some of the new products I've been trying from Beauty Pie. I think my favourite things would probably be the cleanser and the SPF primer. That is just such a good product. I really, really love that. I think that is the absolute must for summer. I'm always looking for good SPFs, and I like the idea of just having that one step. Let me know, guys, if you've tried anything from Beauty Pie and what your favourite products were. What did you think of the things I tried? Will you be buying anything? Will you be trying anything? Do you like the look of them? Let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.